Hi, Rockets! Just like in informational writing, you should begin your persuasive essays with an introduction paragraph. The first sentence of your introduction should be a lead sentence that will grab your reader's attention. 3 of the best ways to lead for persuasive writing are to ask a question, write a description, or give an interesting fact, as you can see here. This is when and after that lead, after you get that hook, is when you should write your topic sentence. And that's when you state your position on a subject in a clear and precise way. So what I want to show you here is there's like a couple of things to look at on this screen, and then you can refer to it in your slideshow. But here you have question, description, and interesting fact. These 3 different leads are written on the topic of why is PE important. So this is 3 different ways to kind of hook your reader in to why PE might be important. So a question might be, what is something that could make children healthier and perform better in a classroom? Another way to hook somebody about why is PE important is imagine that you're sitting at your desk and can barely sit still. All you can think about is going outside and playing. And then finally, a third way to hook your reader is, it's hard to believe that some children spend less than 1 hour a week involved in any physical activity. So I also wanted to show you an example of a 5th grade writing, and this paragraph right here is an example of a 5th grade level that meets the criteria for a 5th grade level lead introduction paragraph to opinion writing. So until 2 weeks ago, recess was really fun. But since the recess ladies said football was too dangerous and the school banned it, now kids just sit around on the grass. We're too old for the swings and there's nothing else to do. Football's not dangerous. It is great for kids. We should have football at recess because it is good exercise, because everyone can play, and because it helps us learn important things. So as you can hear here, it was kind of more of a description of what was going on the playground. That was what was the hook you in. We should have football at recess is the specific opinion that this person is writing about. And then it lists the specific readers of what you're going to be talking about. So because it's good exercise, because everyone can play, and because it will help us learn important things. So I want you to take what you've done last week and try to use one of these leads and write a paragraph that's going to be used for your introduction on the next slide. Good luck, Rockets. You're doing great.